Hey everyone, welcome to Reno Ready. In today's video, we're going to be making a outdoor ottoman. Now, if you didn't see the last video of how to build an outdoor sectional, go check it out now. So the whole reason to build this ottoman was building a sectional, you need an additional set of cushions for the extra back cushion for the back corner. So we had an extra seat cushion, so we decided, why waste it? Let's make something cool out of it. Now we built this the same height as the sectional, so you can use it as a leg rest or something like that by just pushing it up against it, or you can pull it away into the center and everybody can put their feet up on it, or we made it so that you can take off the cushion and it becomes like a coffee table. So then that way people can use it to set down their drinks, you can put down chip bowls or whatever you want out there, but it's a multi-use thing that makes use of that cushion that might have been kind of a waste. Start by making a frame out of 2x6 with an extra 3 inches. Our cushion was 24 by 24 on the inside, so the 2x6 was cut to 27 inches on the outside of each 45-degree angle. Cut 4 pieces the same. Now screw them together. Next, measure across and cut a 2x4 on 45-degree angles on both sides to fit inside just like this. Now screw it in. Now measure across the other way to create an X. You're going to need to cut a bunch of blocks so that you have a 2x4 on each side. You're going to want to fill all of this in with different blocks so that the entire thing is all filled in. It'll look something like this when it's finished. Now cut deck boards on a 45-degree angle from outside and screw them in together. Now repeat this step for the inside so that it's all filled in. You should be left with something on the inside, and we just made a little square to put in there, but you can leave it empty if you wanted. We then took 4x4s and added them to the bottom to make it the same height as the sectional. Now we have a table/ottoman. Thank you for watching. If you guys haven't checked out our other videos like the sectional, I would definitely go check that out now. And we also have a video of making an outdoor patio set. We have lots of outdoor furniture and outdoor DIYs, so go check them all out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you want us to make next.